Today I'm going to talk to you about several of the major risks that you're going to have when you set up that LLC. You're thinking about that LLC right now because you got a new business organization, you're thinking about that new client, that new property you're going to buy, but there's actually some risks that go along with setting up that LLC, which you're not thinking about right now. My name is James, I'm the founder of Trust Art, and I'm going to talk to you about an alternative business organization that's far safer than an LLC in just a minute. But let's just kind of recap some of the things that you're going to get involved in when you get that LLC. You got three major issues. You got your money, you got the paperwork, and you also got the privacy. From a money standpoint, you've got your filings with the Secretary of State, you've got a resident agent, you also may have the franchise taxes. No matter, even if you buy your LLC online at one of these inexpensive online legal form companies, you get it from your attorneys, you're still going to have these expenses every single year. Don't kid yourself, it's going to happen. And you don't think about that up front because they say, oh, it's $99. That's just the beginning, guys, okay? So you'll find out, but I'm telling you right now, it's a fact of life. The second thing is you're gonna have a paperwork obligation that goes along with this LLC. You got your initial articles of organization filing with the Secretary of State, and then you also have annual renewals. And one of the issues here is if you don't do those annual renewals, you forget about them, you procrastinate them, you're traveling, what have you, that can jeopardize the corporate veil or the limited liability that you have with that LLC. And so that's the paperwork issue. The third issue is the privacy fact. The fact is that your LLC is public information. It's listed with the Secretary of State, and if you own any real estate, it's going to be with the Recorder's Office. And then also you've got visibility with the taxman, whether it's the federal or you got the state people. And so what are we going to do about all this stuff? These are all the things that you're going to have to contend with that LLC, in some cases with the also with the corporation as well, but we're talking about LLCs right now. And so the alternative is a business trust. The business trusts have been around for several hundred years, actually a couple hundred years before the corporations were. And so this is what we use. I've been using these business trusts for quite a number of years, I don't know, 25 years. And so I created a seminar for you. And the business trust is a much better solution than the LLC. I know that's what you're thinking about, but let me just share it with you. And that is the cost factor, the privacy factor, the paperwork factor are completely different with the business trust than they are with the LLC. They're much easier, it's much less expensive. So if you're thinking of an LLC, also think about a business trust. And go get one, go check it out, try it. If you'd like our help, come to us. We've got a website, couple of websites, trustartsolutions.com, or click on a link below. My name is James. Share this if you'd like to with some of your buddies, what have you in business, but check out the business trust. You're thinking about the LLC, but go look at the business trust as well. That's it, guys. See you later, next time.